Hey everyone, today we're going to be having a look at the Porto Multipurpose and WooCommerce website theme. This WordPress theme is wildly popular and has over 60,000 sales on Envato Market. Now before we really get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're new to our channel, we do theme and plugin reviews, as well as e-commerce and digital marketing tutorials. With a very high rating of 4.92 stars, Porto has proven to be an intuitive and dependable WordPress theme. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals alike and requires absolutely no coding knowledge thanks to its powerful theme options and variety of page builders. Now, for anyone who's been building websites for quite some time, it's great to see that Porto allows you to choose between a handful of different page builders. We all have our preferences, and it's nice that you're not forced to use one that you may not like as much as another. Most WordPress themes do come with a lot of different demos, but Porto comes with 122, and I'm sure that number is always growing. We'll have a look at some of the different demos so that you can get a better idea of what Porto has to offer. Because there are so many demos offered with the Porto WordPress theme, the demos will look very different from one to the next. But keep in mind that when you purchase the Porto theme, you do get all of these pre-built demos with your purchase. And definitely check out the description for a link to where you can purchase the Porto theme. So we'll kick things off with the main demo, and this would be where it would have all started. This classic demo includes tons of features and it's pretty interactive. As you can see, there are lots of animated and moving pieces, which can really help to keep your visitors engaged. The Startup Agency demo is a one-page website. As you click on the different links in the top navigation, it will take you to the different parts of the page. A one-page website is great for when you don't have a ton of information and would find it hard to fill up multiple pages across a larger website. It's also a very smooth and seamless experience. Keeping in line with the business-themed demos, here is the Corporate 20 demo. As we scroll using our mouse, we switch between the different screens, which is really cool. It's highly visual and is sure to stand out as it doesn't look like your average website. The SEO 2 demo is perfect for any modern-day company. The use of illustrations combined with curves and rounded corners make this Porto demo a hit. Keep in mind that as we look at these demos, they are entirely customizable and you can change all sorts of things like the fonts used, colors, layouts, as well as the content, obviously. Here we have the bike store demo, and it really does have a little bit of everything. A wide banner across the top, which is visually appealing. We've got rotating product listings, larger announcement banners leading you to other pages, as well as an Instagram widget across the bottom of the homepage. You'll also notice an email newsletter sign-up, which is always a good thing to have. Next up, we have the Portfolio 4 demo. With the main menu being over on the right-hand side, your work takes center stage. Portfolio sites are perfect for showcasing your work, whether you are a photographer, designer, illustrator, marketing agency, and so on. Although the cleaning services demo is clearly for a cleaning company, you can use it for any type of service in any industry. It has a handy Book Now button in the top header, as well as a large call to action prompting visitors to call right away and book an appointment. It's very clean, very modern, and the request a callback form is sure to increase your sales. The last demo we'll be looking at today, and don't forget there are 122 of them, is the MultiVendor Marketplace demo. This WooCommerce shop has the ability to be a multi-vendor marketplace and can handle the largest of inventories. With tons of categories and lots of spots to showcase multiple products at once, you can fill this website up with as many products as you'd like. That is it for now. Be sure to check the description for a link to where you can buy the Porto WordPress theme, and don't forget that your purchase includes all of these demos, along with the rest of them. So you don't have to decide on one right now. You can always purchase the theme, test out a few demos, and then decide on the one that you like later. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more theme reviews as well as e-commerce and marketing tutorials.